Hi students. So standard costing and variance analysis. There we are discussing about material variances. So today we are going to discuss the 13th, 14th, okay, remaining questions. Today I am going to complete with the variance analysis. So once you see the 13th question here. So from the given data, calculate material price variance, okay, material usage. Here usage variance, material price variance, material usage variance, and material cost variance. Okay, print mistake he has given. So what he has given, once you see standard information, what he has given, you see 250 kg of raw material is required for producing 175 kg of finished product. So standardly what they are planning means to complete the 175 finished product, 250 kg of raw material is required, they are saying. So per kg the material cost is how much? 4. Next, actual information what he has given, you see production 52,500 years, nothing but they are producing 52,500 kg of finished product they are producing. For that the material consumed is how much? 70 kgs. Cost of material is 2,73 kgs. So actual information he has given, standard information he has given. So but here what happened means, in case of standard the production finished products is 175 kgs, but actually here they have produced 52,500 kgs. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to convert this standard quantity for how many kgs? For 52,500 kgs. First we have to convert it. Afterwards here AP per kg, actual price per kg has not given. Okay, total material cost is 2,73,000. For 2,73,000, how much of material they have purchased? 70,000 they have 70,000 kgs they have purchased. So per kg the value they have not given. Okay na? So question chudandamma, standard information deniki ichhindu 175 kgs of finished product prepare cheyadaniki 250 kgs of raw material avasaram అయితే అని చెప్తున్నాడు. పర్ కేజీ 4 రూపీస్. కానీ యాక్చువల్గా వాళ్ళు ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేసింది ఎన్ని కేజీస్? 52,500 కేజీస్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేసింది. రెండు ఈక్వల్ లేవు, చూసుకోండి ఒకసారి. సో యాక్చువల్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని మనం స్టాండర్డ్ని మార్చుకోవాల్సి వస్తుంది, అది పాయింట్. నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకోటి మెటీరియల్ కన్స్యూమ్డ్ అయితే ఇచ్చిండు 70 కేజీస్ ఇచ్చిండు. కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ మెటీరియల్స్ 2,73,000 ఇచ్చిండు. సో పర్ కేజీ ఇవ్వలేడు ఇక్కడ. టోటల్ 52,500 కేజీస్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేయడానికి వాళ్ళకి అవసరం రా మెటీరియల్ ఎంత అవసరమైంది? 70 కేజీస్ ఆఫ్ రా మెటీరియల్ అవసరమైంది. సో దానికి కాస్ట్ ఎంత పడింది వాళ్ళకి? 2,73,000 పడింది. సో 2,73,000 డివైడెడ్ బై 70,000 చేస్తే మనకి ఏపీ యాక్చువల్ ప్రైస్ వస్తుంది. ఒక్కసారి ఇక్కడ చూడండి. ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ ది ఎస్క్యూ. ఫస్ట్ వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ, వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ ది ఎస్క్యూ. ఫర్ ఫైండింగ్ ది ఎస్క్యూ, సి for producing 175 kgs of finished products, 250 kgs of raw material is required. Okay, for producing 52,500 kgs, so how much of raw material we required? Standardly how much is required? Cross multiplication, 250 into 52,500 divided by 175. So 75 kgs of raw material is required standardly. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to find the AP. AP is equal to 2,73,000 divided by 70,000 is equal to 3.9. Now SQ is 75,000, SP is 4, AQ is 70,000 and AP is 3.9. Now find the MCV, MPV, MUV. ఇవి మీకు తెలుసు, ఫార్ములా అప్లై చేయండి, ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయండి. ఓకేనా? సో దాని తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ 14th క్వశ్చన్ చూడండి. The standard material cost to produce tons of chemical X, 300 kg of material A at rate of 10 per kg and 400 kg of material B at the rate of 5 per kg. Okay, and 500 kg of material C at rate of 6 per kg. So ఒక్కసారి ఇక్కడ చూడండి, పర్ టన్ స్టాండర్డ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ he has given per ton here. Okay, per ton 300 kgs of material A is required, nothing but for producing certain product chemical X. For producing a chemical X, 3 items are required: material A, material B and material C. 3 things are required for producing what? Chemical X. So for that purpose what he has said means, material A how much is required? 300 kg of material is required. Okay, and material B how much is required? 400 kg of material B is required. And material C how much is required? 500 kg of material C is required at rate of 6 rupees per kg. So standard information he has given per ton, nothing but later on I will explain total question. During the period 100 tons of X were produced. So actually what they have done, 100 tons of chemical X were produced from the usage of 35 tons. Here standard they have given in kgs, But here what they have said in actual they have given in tons. 35 tons of material A, 9,000 per ton, 42,000 of material B at the rate of 6,000 per ton, 53 tons of material C at the rate of 7,000 per ton. Here you have to calculate MPV, MUV and MNV. Okay, so standard information he has given in case of 1 ton, and you can kgs, nothing but the quantity has given in kgs. Actual what he had, actually how many tons of chemical X they have produced? 100 tons of chemical X they have produced. So for that purpose 35 tons he has said. So here what we have to do, this should be converted into kgs. So 35 tons na, 35 into 1000, 35 into 1000 you do, 35 tons na, 1 ton is equal to 1000 kgs. So 35 into 1000 you do, 35,000, 42,000 and 43,000. Okay, so actual nothing but actual tons we have converted into kgs. Next what he has given here, 9,000 per ton he has given. How much he has given? 9,000 per ton he has given. So 9,000 divided by 1000 you do. Okay, you will be getting in kgs. 9 rupees per kg, 6 rupees per kg and 7 rupees per kg. Okay na, ఒకసారి జాగ్రత్తగా వినండమ్మా. సో ఇక్కడ స్టాండర్డ్గా ఇచ్చింది ఏంటి అంటే 1 టన్కి ఇచ్చాడు. ఇక్కడ 1 టన్ అంటే 1 టన్ ఆఫ్ కెమికల్ ఎక్స్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయడానికి, ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేయడానికి 300 kg ఆఫ్ మెటీరియల్ ఏ అవసరం ఉంది, 400 kg ఆఫ్ మెటీరియల్ బి అవసరం ఉంటుంది, 500 kg ఆఫ్ మెటీరియల్ సి అవసరం ఉంటుంది. అది 1 టన్ అయితే. అండ్ రేట్స్ కూడా ఎట్లా ఇచ్చిండు? పర్ కేజీ ఇచ్చిండు. అక్కడ యాక్చువల్గా ఇక్కడ ఏమంటుండు వాడు, 100 టన్స్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేసిండే కెమికల్ ఎక్స్, 100 టన్స్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేసారు. యాక్చువల్ ప్రొడక్షన్ అయింది 100 టన్స్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేయడానికి. వాళ్ళకి అయింది ఎంత అంటే, మెటీరియల్ ఏ అయ్యింది 35 టన్స్, బి యూజ్ అయింది 42 టన్స్ అండ్ సి 53 టన్స్ యూజ్ అయింది. వాటి రేట్స్ కూడా పర్ టన్ ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చింది. ఇదేమో స్టాండర్డ్ ఏమో పర్ కేజీస్ ఉంది, ఇదేమో ఎలా ఉంది, ఇది ఎలా ఉంది, ఇది టన్లో ఉంది. సో ఈ టన్స్కి కాస్త మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం, కేజీస్కి కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఓకేనా. సో 1 టన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు హౌ మెనీ కేజీస్ మా? 1000 kgs. 1 టన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు హౌ మెనీ కేజీస్? 1000 kgs. సో ఒక్కసారి ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఎస్క్యూ. సో 1 టన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు హౌ మెనీ కేజీస్? 1000 kgs. అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. సో ఏ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 300 into 100. వై హ్యావ్ టేకన్ హియర్ 100? వై? బికాస్ standard is for 1 ton. For 1 ton it is 300. So for 100 tons how much? Okay, 1 ton it is 300 kg. So for 100 tons it is how much? So 300 into 100 cross multiplication చేస్తే మనకి 300 into 100 వస్తుంది. కావాల్సి వస్తే ఇక్కడ రాసా చూసుకోండి. సో ఫర్ 1 ton 300 kgs of raw material is required. So for producing 100 tons how much? Okay, so for preparing 1 ton 300 kgs of raw material required, but actually they are producing how many tons? 100 tons. For 100 tons how much? So 300 into 100 30,000, 400 into 100 40,000, 500 into 100 50,000. Next AQ 35 tons he has given. So what I have said ma, 1 ton is equal to 1000 kgs I have said na. So 35 into 1000 35,000, 42 into 1000 42,000, 53 into 1000 53,000. Okay, next AP 1000 kgs is equal to 9,000. 1000 kgs I have taken. How I have taken here? So 1 ton is equal to 1000 kgs na. So 1000 kgs is equal to 9000 means for 1 kg how much? Okay, tons we are converting into kg here. So 9000 divided by 1000. So 9. So 6000 divided by 6. 7000 divided by 7. Per kg we got here. What we have done? We have converted into kgs. Per kg we have formed. Okay. Next. Now SQ, SP, AQ, AP. ABC. SQ 30,000, 40,000, 50,000. SP 10,000, 5,000, sorry 10, 5, 6. AQ 35,000, 42,000, 53,000. 9, 6, 7. AP. Now MCV, ఇక్కడ MCV అడగలేదు కానీ MCV కూడా చెప్పినామా. MCV ఫార్ములా అయింది SQ into SP minus AQ into AP. So 30,000 into 10 minus 35,000 into 9. Substitute 40,000 into 5 minus 42,000 into 6. 50,000 into 6 minus 53,000 into 7. Calculate it. You will be getting 1,38,000 adverse answer. Okay. Next MPV. Already ఇవన్నీ నేను ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోస్ డీటెయిల్గా చెప్పినా కాబట్టి ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ జనరల్ పైన చెప్తున్నా. సో జాగ్రత్తగా. సో 35,000 AQ into SP minus AP. Yes or no? So that AQ is how much ma? 35,000. 35,000 into 10 minus 9. 42,000 into 5 minus 6. 53,000 into 6 minus 7. Calculate it. You will be getting a 60,000 adverse. 60,000 adverse over there. Okay. Why? Because minus value is greater, plus value is less. Okay. Next MUV. MUV formula. Okay. SP into SQ minus AQ. Okay, A into 30,000 minus 35,000. So 10 into minus 5,000, we got 5,000 adverse. B, 5 into 40,000 minus 42,000. So 5,000 into minus 2,000. Okay, 10,000 adverse. C, 6 into 50,000. 6 into 50,000 minus 53,000. So 6 into minus 3,000, we got 18,000 adverse. Total 78,000 adverse. Next, MMB. For calculating MMB, RSQ is required. How we have to find the RSQ? First of all, we have to take the standard quantity information. Okay, standard quantity ratio. Standard quantity, with standard quantity we have to take the ratio. So standard quantity is how much here? 30,000, 40,000 and 50,000. So 30,000 is to 40,000 is to 50,000. 3 is to 4 is to 5. Okay. Now, next what we have to do? Total actual quantity. We have to do the total one. Actual quantity, how much here it is? 1,30,000. Okay. Total here is 1,30,000. So 1,30,000 into, we have to divide that actual quantity in this ratio. 3 by 12, 1,30,000 into 4 by 12 and 1,30,000 into 5 by 12. You will get in these values. Now substitute in the formula. MMB is equal to SP into RSQ minus AQ. So SP is 10. RSQ how much we got here? 32,500 minus AQ is how much? 35,000 is equal to 10 into minus 2,500. So 25,000 adverse. B is equal to 5 into 43,333 minus 42,000 is equal to 5 into, okay, 1,333. So 665 favorable. Next, C is equal to 6 into RSQ is how much? 54,167 minus 53,000. So 6 into 1,167. So 7,220. So 2 we got in favorable and 1 is in adverse. Add these 2 and minus 25,000. So 11,333 will be the adverse answer. Okay. So this is the 14th question. Next, coming to the homework sum. Choose 17, 18 homework. Jarta use 17th. Already it is same like second question. Second question చెప్పినా కదా, సేమ్ సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్ అట్లనే చేయండి. ఓకే, కానీ ఒకసారి చూడండి. ది స్టాండర్డ్ మెటీరియల్ రిక్వైర్డ్ ఫర్ ప్రొడ్యూసింగ్ 100 units is 120 kgs. Standardly what he has given information for producing 100 units, 120 kgs of raw materials required, he is saying. And standard price SP is how much? 0.50 per kg. Units produced 2,400. So actually how many units they have produced? 2,40,000 units they have produced. Actual material purchase were 3,000 kgs at a cost of 165,000. Calculate MCV. Here you have to calculate only material cost variance. So for 100 units it is 120 na? So for 2,40,000 units how much? You will be getting SQ. How to find the SQ here? For 100 units if it is 120 kgs means for 2,40,000 how many kgs? So okay, SQ వచ్చేస్తుంది. SP is how much? 0.50. Next, AQ is how much? 3 lakhs kgs. AQ is how much? 3 lakhs kgs. Directly has given. AP we have to find. AP how we have to find? 1,65,000 divided by how much of material we have purchased? 3 lakhs. So 1,65,000 divided by 3 lakhs you will be getting the AP. Okay, homework is pattern. Next, 18th question is direct mark. From the following data, calculate MCV, MPV and MUV. Okay, so చూడండి ఒక్కసారి జాగ్రత్తగా. ABC has given, SQE has given, SP has given, AQ has given, APE has given. So direct ABC. Okay na, చేయండి, పెట్టండి. So దీంతో by this we have completed material variances. So in the next class we are going to start with the labor variances. Okay na.